Good morning. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Yesterday, we saw the Indian rupee fall to a new lifetime low of 65.54 intraday, though it ended the day below 65 levels. But yes, for a brief moment, it did touch a high of 65.54 intraday. Again, on similar lines, due to the currency concerns and the financial turmoil, Fitch has warned that if the current government fails to calm the financial markets issues, then we could very well be up for another round of downgrade of our credit ratings. Again, in the morning session, we had a strong opening for the Asian equity markets. Similar positive opening is expected in the domestic equity markets, which could again support the Indian rupee to gain intraday. The US dollar NDF versus the Indian rupee in the international market was trading largely flat at 65.12. So we can expect the Indian rupee to strengthen intraday. Again, overnight in the RBI's annual report, RBI has stated that the Indian rupee depreciation is the biggest concern for the current economic growth. We had weak jobless claims data overnight, because of which we saw the US dollar strengthen. Again, you can see the US dollar index was trading higher in the morning session at 81.60 levels. Coming to the technical overview, we expect slight correction intraday in the US dollar, and a similar trend is expected in the other currencies which have been currently near the overbought level. But yes, overall the trend does remain bullish until we see any major reversals. So what we would advise is go for a buy not at current levels but near the support levels, that is at 63.95 for the US dollar, 85.75 for the euro, and so on. And at the same time, the long can be initiated with a target of near the resistance for all the currency pairs. Coming to the data due in the market today, firstly we have the UK second estimate GDP Q on Q. Then we have the European consumer confidence data. Both these data are to be released during market hours and would have some impact on the movement of pound and euro intraday. Again, we have the US new home sales data, which is going to be crucial from the terms of the overall economic progress of the US economy. Again, we have the Jackson Hole Symposium, which is going on. Yesterday we had strong statement from this Jackson Hole Symposium meeting from the Bank of Japan Governor Kurada. Similarly, we could see some statements coming up today as well, and based on that, it could have an impact on the currency movement throughout. Thank you.